In this video, we'll be learning about how to create Heatmap with conditional formatting. If you don't practice this, you'll forget it. So why don't you download the practice file from the description given below? The Heatmap tells me that there are two outlier values, which are very high as compared to the remaining salary values. Let's see how this is applied. First, I choose the range of values. Next, I go to Format. Then I will scroll down to be able to click on Conditional Formatting. Now I will choose our color scale. By default, it allows me to give a green to white option, but I'll click on the default preview so that I can choose other options. See? How easy was that? Once it's done, you can click on Done. If you like this trick, why don't you check out our entire library? Click on the link in the description below to get full access. This is a very useful feature in case you have a lot of numbers, and a quick glance should reveal the low and the high numbers.